Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our 60-day spoken English course.
Welcome back, everyone. This is day 2, and today we're going to learn something very small but very powerful.
That's right. Yesterday, we learned that every sentence needs two important things: a subject and a verb.
Exactly. But today we're going to make speaking much easier.
Paul, can I tell you a secret?
Of course.
When I first started learning a new language, I kept repeating people's names again and again.
Really?
Yes. Imagine this conversation.
Emily is hungry.
Emily wants coffee.
Emily is going to work.
Emily likes English.
Wow, that sounds a little strange.
Exactly. It sounds robotic.
And that's why English has pronouns.
Pronouns are small words that replace names.
And once you learn them, your English sounds much more natural.
Today, we're going to learn 6 important pronouns:
Just 6.
I, you, he, she, we, and they.
And by the end of this lesson, you'll use them naturally without thinking.
Paul, can we make this visual?
Absolutely.
Guys, close your eyes for a moment.
Imagine you're standing alone in front of a mirror.
You point at yourself.
What word do you use?
I.
Exactly.
I am Emily.
I am Paul.
I like coffee.
I study English.
Whenever you're talking about yourself, use I.
Very simple.
Now, imagine you're talking to your friend.
You point at your friend.
What word do you use?
You.
Perfect.
You are my friend.
You speak English?
You look happy today.
Notice something interesting.
What?
We use you for one person and many people.
That's true.
One friend?
You.
10 friends?
Still you.
Easy, right?
Very easy.
Now let's imagine another situation.
Okay.
Imagine your friend Michael is standing across the room.
Got it.
He's a boy.
What pronoun do we use?
He.
Exactly.
Michael is a teacher.
He is a teacher.
Michael likes football.
He likes football.
So whenever we're talking about a man or a boy,
We use he.
now let's change the picture.
Okay.
Imagine Olivia is standing next to Michael.
She's smiling.
She's a woman.
What pronoun do we use?
She.
Correct.
Olivia is a student.
She is a student.
Olivia loves music.
She loves music.
Woman or girl?
She.
Let's do a quick challenge.
I love challenges.
Michael,
He.
Olivia,
She.
Emily,
She.
Paul.
He.
Excellent.
Now let's make things more interesting.
Oh, I like interesting.
Imagine you and I are standing together.
Teamwork.
Exactly.
Not just me,
Not just you.
both of us together.
What word do we use?
We
Perfect.
are teachers.
We like English.
We make podcasts.
We help students.
So when you're part of the group,
Use we.
now imagine a bigger group.
How big?
5 friends,
Okay.
maybe 10 friends.
Even better.
You're not part of the group.
I'm just watching them.
What word do we use?
They?
Exactly.
They are students.
They play football.
They study English.
Easy.
Okay, Emily.
Yes?
Let's tell a little story.
Stories always help.
Imagine it's Monday morning.
Oh no, Monday.
You wake up late.
That's already a problem.
You look at the clock.
Panic mode activated.
You say,
I am late.
perfect.
Then my friend calls me.
What does he say?
He says, hurry up.
Great.
Then I meet Olivia.
What do you say?
She looks tired.
Excellent.
Then all of us enter the classroom.
Together?
Yes,
Then,
we are ready to learn.
perfect.
What about the other students?
They are waiting for the teacher.
Wow.
You just used all 6 pronouns.
Guys, here's a secret.
A secret?
Most English conversations use these 6 pronouns again and again.
That's true.
If you master them, speaking becomes much easier.
Much easier.
Quick pause, everyone.
If you're enjoying this course,
Please hit the like button
subscribe so you don't miss day 3.
and tell us in the comments.
Which pronoun is easiest for you?
I,
He,
she,
we?
or they.
Okay, Emily, ready for the pronoun game.
Bring it on.
I say a name.
I say the pronoun.
David,
He,
Sarah,
she,
Emily, and Paul,
we,
the students.
they.
You are amazing.
Thank you.
Now let's create real speaking sentences.
Great idea.
Repeat after us, everyone.
I am learning English.
You are doing great.
He works in an office.
She likes reading books.
We practice every day.
They speak English together.
Again.
I am learning English.
You are doing great.
He works in an office.
She likes reading books.
We practice every day.
They speak English together.
See what happened?
What?
You just practiced 6 complete English sentences.
And they sounded natural.
Before we finish, let's do one final challenge.
The Day 2 challenge.
Exactly.
Listen carefully.
Complete these sentences.
Blank am a student.
Answer,
I,
underscore. Underscore, underscore is my friend Michael.
he,
Underscore, underscore, underscore is my sister.
she.
Underscore. Underscore, underscore are learning English.
We,
Underscore, underscore, underscore are playing football.
they.
Fantastic.
Let's review today's lesson.
One final time.
I equals me.
You equals the person I'm talking to.
He equals a man or boy.
She equals a woman or girl.
We equals me and others.
They equals other people.
That's it.
No complicated grammar,
No stress.
just simple English.
I'm proud of everyone who stayed until the end.
Me too.
Remember, fluency doesn't come from learning difficult words.
It comes from mastering simple things.
And today, you mastered pronouns.
Tomorrow, we'll learn another important building block of English speaking.
Trust us, Day 3 will make your English even stronger.
So keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
Keep believing in yourself.
And remember,
English is not something you study once a week.
it's something you use every day.
Thank you for joining us.
See you in Day 3.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and keep practicing your English.